And nice and early in the morning. What time is it? Oh, about 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, early bird gets the worm. So I put some food out, especially for Ted. Hey, Teddy. Just having a good old snack. The old girl's got to be 8 years old now. You gotta be 8 years old now, Ted. Hey, sweetie. Oh, you're just eating that up. Just munching that up there like nothing. Yeah, you got lots more to go. Got nuts and bananas. Feeding you outside the window. Sitting in the basement here. Cool out this morning, but come on for another one. Come on, Teddy. Oh, my little girl, eh? That was my little girl. Here she comes. She's going to get some more. Hey, sweetheart. Where you going to go for now? Let me grab the other one, eh? The other half. Yeah. You just eat it all up. For a groundhog, the average life cycle is 4 or 5 years. You're pushing 8 years and still looking pretty good.